Hey guys, welcome. Before starting coding in Python, we need to download Python. We're going to Google, typing Python download. Then we hit the first link, and this will take us to the Python page where we can download Python. When you hover the mouse over the downloads, you're going to see that there's Python for Windows, Mac, and other platforms. We're interested in downloading Python for Windows, and the version of Python I'm downloading is version 3.13.3. Let's download. Downloading, we can install the downloaded version of Python. For me, it shows red now because I already downloaded the Python on my computer. But you need to go to customize installation. You can check everything on this setup stage. Make sure the idle development environment is very important to help us to code in Python. We need to ensure that is checked. Click next. We add Python to the environmental variables because we want the computer to know where to find the program. That's the path where I've installed my Python. I've stored in C. You can choose wherever you want to install Python. Then hit install. Once the installation process is successful, close the setup and try to run Python so that we can run Python. So the editor is open. So let's run our first Python program by printing, "Hello guys, welcome to Python programming." We've successfully installed Python. You can also use the command line by going to search and type cmd. Once the command line is open, type Python space -- version. When you hit the enter key, you're going to see the version of Python you've installed. In my case, I have Python version 3.13.3. Start using the command line to code. Type Python again and hit the enter key. Then you'll be able to enter Python code to start coding. So you can hit the enter key to see the output. So this is your first Python program. Welcome to Python programming. Another way to run Python on your computer is by installing Pycharm. Go to Google, type Pycharm in the search bar, and then select the first link, and this will take us to the Pycharm download page. Accept all. When you see this pop up, if you want, you can try the Pycharm Professional Edition 30-day free trial, but I'm interested in the Community Edition. Let's scroll down the page. I'm interested in the Pycharm Community Edition. Download for Windows. Let's download for Windows. You can also download for other versions. The download has started. Download is complete. We can now install Pycharm. Setup wizard is open. Click next. Again, click next. Continue next. Click install. The installation is almost done. Click finish to finish installation. Hit the search button, then click Pycharm Community Edition to open Pycharm. In Pycharm, go to the Python console here. Click this so that the window can open. So where now we can type our Python code. Let's print something and to the screen. Welcome to Python programming. Hit the enter key. There we go. Welcome to Python programming. This is how you can run Python in Pycharm.